Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals, we already said like that there is a content of this one iron content we can see. So we are calling it is ferrous minerals, and we can see the ferrous minerals. In that we can see different types of minerals. First one it is iron ore. Again we can see another one is manganese in next portion. So first we are going to see this iron ore. Ferrous minerals account for about three-fourth of the total volume of the production of the metallic minerals. This one is the total. If you are thinking about ferrous minerals, that is the three-fourth of the total production of the minerals. Three-fourth of the total production of the minerals, and they provide a strong base for other development of metallurgical industries related to metal and like that industries, and it is giving the especially iron and bauxite like that things, it is giving maximum help for the other industries also. Then if you are thinking about India's export with the quality and quantity, that also very high in this ferrous minerals. So let's see the iron. First one, iron ore is the basic mineral and the backbone of the industrial development. Why? This is a usual question used to ask in board exam also, as well as other exams also. Okay. This is the usual question used to ask in board exam also. What it is? Okay. Why it is? The iron ore is known as the basic mineral or the backbone of other industry. Why it is? That we already studied in 8th standard, and you can revise that 8th standard portion of geography, that is mineral chapter of 8th standard. In that we studied why it is known as like that. And here we are going to study some more extra things related to that. India is endowed with a fairly abundant resources of iron ore, and we have much resources of iron here in India, and India is a rich and good quality of iron. And then another one thing is magnet is the one of the finest iron ore, and which is content of iron particle, it is 70%. Like that iron, that is the best quality for the excellent quality or the best quality for industrial purpose. And we are using the another one type, it is hematite, that is the second type, and we are using that one. And that quantity, very in quantity wise, if you are thinking, that also a very high amount we can see here in India. And but the content of the, when we are comparing with magnetite, this content is for 50 to 60 percentage only. In magnetite we can see 70 percentage of iron content. Then we can see here from where we are getting it, that is from Orissa we are getting 50 percentage of iron. Then Jharkhand it is 11 percentage, Karnataka 14 percentage, Chhattisgarh that is 16 percentage, and other states together it is 7 percentage. In Tamil Nadu also we have iron plant that is comes under the other, that is only 7 percentage. Goa, Maharashtra like that states are there who is producing iron. And now we are going to see the iron belt, or from where we are getting maximum iron. We can see here the iron, the first one it is given, the upside it is given kurdis in Kannada means horse. Kudre means sorry, kudre means horse in Kannada. And what it means, the peak of the Western Ghats, it is looking like a horse, face of horse like that they are saying. And we can see the hump of ox like that, different faces of the, when we are looking from upside of the Western Ghat we can see different things. Then here a given iron or mine, and how they are collecting the iron, that then we can see four belts are there. That is very important question. What are the major belts of iron belt? First one is Orissa and Jharkhand belt. Then next one is Durg and Batsar and Chandrapur belt. Then next one is Bellary, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur belt. The next one is Maharashtra and Goa belt. And in this already we have seen in the last pie diagram that Orissa they are producing 50 more than 50 percentage. Then next one is Chhattisgarh, that is this Vatsa Chandra, that area they are producing 14 percentage. Then Karnataka, Bellary, that region they are producing 14 percentage. Then Jharkhand it is not given here. Then it is coming the Maharashtra and Goa belt, that is comes under others. So for belt we can see, and let us see one by one. Orissa and Jharkhand belt in Orissa, high grade hematite ore is found. Means that is content of the iron, it is 50 to 60 percentage. 50 to 60 percentage iron content we can see, the which we are producing from Jharkhand. And in that we have the Badam Pahar, one of the mine that is in Mayurganj, that is in the Kendujar districts and nearby area, that is in Jharkhand and Orissa, both Jharkhand and Orissa, and that is especially in the Goa and Mahundi, that is the area where from where we are collecting from Jharkhand, and from Orissa we are collecting from that is from Badam Pahar, that is in Mayurganj. So that both area of Orissa and Jharkhand area, it is that belt. From that two areas very important that we are collecting the hematite or not magnetite ore. Then next one it is Durgapur. This one Durgapur and Batsar and Durga and Bats, Durg, Batsar and Chandrapur belt. In that we can see that is in the Chhattisgarh as well as in Maharashtra. That is in Chhattisgarh as well as in Maharashtra. And from where we are collecting very good hematite, that is maybe 55 percentage or 60 percentage. Here also we can see that also good quality, maybe 60 percentage that much content of iron. Then and what is the we can see the Bailada ranges of hills and Batsar district of Chhattisgarh, from where we are getting the iron ore for the for industrial purpose. And we can see 14 deposits of super grade hematite ore in that area. And the physical properties need for the steel making, which is very good for steel making also. And we are not processing the means we are maximum it is exporting to work to Japan and South Korea. We are exporting through Visakhapatnam port. We are using the seaport of Visakhapatnam to send to Japan and Korea. You know the what is the where is Japan and Korea? It is nearby countries and it is in Asia itself. Then third one it is Bellary, Chitradurga and Chikkamangaluru. That is our neighbor state, that is Karnataka area. And we can see like that Tumkuru belt and in Karnataka has large reserves of iron. In that, in these three names and the place name it is Tumkur belt, that is in there in Karnataka. And another one Kudremugh mines, that is located in Western Ghats, that is another one unit. And that is totally for export purpose, 100% export purpose. And they are doing the export with the help of the port, nearby port, that is in the means Chikmagalur means Mangalore port. And they are taking that one in the form of slurry. They are sending that one in the form of slurry. And you know what is slurry? It is a mix of water and the thing like in a liquid form. It will come, and with the help of pipeline they are passing, bringing that iron ore to Mangalore port. Then fourth one it is Maharashtra and Goa. And in that belt we can see that that is from Goa, maximum part of Goa as well as in Ratnagiri district. And this ore is not that much high quality, but they are having the efficient methods to exploit. They are efficiently exploited in that area. And we can see very sorry, the iron ore is exported through Marmagova port. Means they are we have studying here. One is Visakhapatnam port, another one is Mangalore port, another one is Marmagova's port. Means this is from Andhra, Visakhapatnam from Andhra. This is Andhra port. And this Mangalore port is it is in Karnataka. And next one it is in Goa. So this is all about the iron ore. what we want to study in 10th standard. And again it will come this iron, not only this iron or the processing of iron, and that it will come in the industry chapter, next chapter. So we this is continuation, means the direct relation with this coming part also. Each and everything cotton we will study here, means the magnet or bauxite, or like the different things we will study here. And when we are studying the next lesson, industrial lesson, that time also we want to continue that one. Then okay, we'll continue in next video.